And also, if you don't know me, here is a brief introduction about me. This is Deekshaa, your mathematics master teacher from Supreme Learning. Well, I have more than 5 years of teaching experience, and you all should consider me a friend because I'm here to make mathematics your friend, right? Well, let's see the session flow for today. So, we'll have data handling lesson 2, and we'll have a few questions, homework, and then a bonus tip at the end. All right. So without any delay, let's get started. So firstly, we will see median. Well, when a given data is arranged in ascending or descending order, then the middlemost value is considered to be the median. Like for example, if I take first 7 natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the median over here will be 4, the middlemost value, right? Because this is arranged in a ascending order. After you arrange in ascending or descending order, then only you will get the correct middlemost value. Okay, correct median, you can say that. Now let's talk about chance and probability. Well, probability is the measure or the chance of occurrence of a particular event. Experiments which do not have a fixed result are known as random experiments. Like for example, if I roll a die, then that will be a random experiment because we don't know that we'll get a 6, we'll get a 5, we'll get a 4 or anything, right? So that is basically random experiment whose results are not fixed. Now let's see what are pictographs. The graphical representation of data using bars or uniform width drawn vertically or horizontally with different lengths is called as bar diagrams or bar graphs or bar diagrams. Well, I think the given data is over here something I'm getting confused over here. I'll just show you an example so that will make very clear for you. Yeah, so this is the graph regarding pictograph. Well, वहाँ पे हम pictures के through representation करते हैं basically. That is basically known as pictograph. Alright. So in this graph, it is showing number of burgers eaten by children. Different children. They see one burger represents one burger eaten by a child. Like Michael here ate 5 burgers, Tara ate 2 burgers, and so on. So basically, pictograph mein we show graph mein you will see pictures. That is basically known as pictorial representation of something. Okay. Now, if I talk about bar graphs, so bar graphs are the pictorial representation of data with rectangular bars may be vertical or horizontal with rectangular bars where the length of bars are proportional to the data. Okay, proportional measure. Like let me make it very clear to you with an example. See, this is a bar graph where you will see rectangular bars in that graph. Okay, so in this graph you can see that this graph is showing number of pets owned by different people. Okay. Now what's double bar graph? Well, a double bar graph is a graphical display of information using two bars besides each other at various heights. Alright, we compare two data. We compare groups of two datas. Okay. Alright, so this is double bar graph ka. This is example number 1 and this is example number 2. Well, here I can see number of girls and boys in each class from 1 to 5. Here I can see number of cookies liked by boys and girls. So this is basically a double bar graph where हम एक ही डाटा को दो ग्रुप्स के लिए हम प्रेजेंट करते हैं, राइट? लाइक बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स, मेल एंड फीमेल. क्लासेस के लिए भी हम करते हैं लाइक फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड क्लास एंड सो ऑन. ठीक है. Now it's time for us to solve a few questions. So quickly let's get started. So first question is find the average of the numbers 8, 13 and 15. Very simple. ये मैंने वैसे एवरेज का कॉन्सेप्ट मैंने लास्ट सेशन में ही बताया था, बट ओके इट्स ऑल राइट. So what you just need to do, just sum of the given numbers upon total number of observations. So यहाँ पे 3 numbers का हमसे पूछा, right? So let's find the total value. So it will be 36 by 3. It will be 12. Well, the average of these numbers is 12. That's it. Next question. A die is rolled. Find the probability of getting an even number. So सबसे पहले दिमाग में सब ये लिखेंगे 2/6. But this is totally wrong. Just you need to count कि what are the total number of observations. So we have 2, 4 and 6. So it will be 3/6. That is nothing else but 1/2. So try to avoid this mistake in your examination and try to write it as 1/2 only. Now the next question is find the mean of first 5 multiples of 3. Very easy. So this will be 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 and plus 15 upon 5. That's it. Now you just have to total the value. Okay. So if you will total it, you will get the result as 45. So it will be 45 by 5. That is nothing else but 9. So the right answer is 9. Now the next question is regarding bar graphs only. So the following bar graph shows the number of books sold by a publisher during the 5 consecutive years. Read the bar graph and answer the following questions. Okay, so about how many books were sold in the year 2008, 2009 and 2012? Well, in 2008 I can see 150 books were sold. ठीक है. 2009 में I think 350 books were sold. And in 2012 575 books were sold. Okay, first question is solved. In which year 375 books were sold? So in 2009. ठीक है, will be 2009. In which year were the minimum number of books sold? It's 2008 sorry. Just give me a second. I think okay, be 2008. All right, so we have the solutions also given over here. If you want, you can check it out. See here, it is 360. I told you 350. It's all right if you write both the things. कुछ भी आप लिख दो, you will get the मतलब that is fine. Now next question is, I think that's the last question for today. So the data given below shows the production of motorbikes in a factory for some months for consecutive years. Study the table given above and below and answer the following question. So सबसे पहले draw a double bar graph using an appropriate scale to depict the above information. All right. वेल अभी हम लोग एक डबल बार ग्राफ सबसे पहले बनाएंगे. फाइन, आई शो यू हाउ टू ड्रॉ दैट. ओके, सो लेट्स, आई विल शो यू, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकेंड. हाँ जी, ओके. सबसे पहले विल ड्रॉ एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस. फाइन, दिस इज एक्स एक्सिस and this is my y axis. Now months are given, and on the x axis I am going to take my months, and on the y axis I am going to take my production. ठीक है. So here I will take it to be 0, then 1000. I am taking the scale of 1000. You can take according to your privilege. 3000, 4000. Okay, let me just draw a big kind of thing. Okay, आई एम टेकिंग बार ग्राफ रिगार्डिंग 2K का मैं ले रही हूँ, ठीक है. यहाँ पे देर विल बी मंथ्स, यहाँ पे द प्रोडक्शन विल बी देयर 2000, 4000 and 6000. दैट्स इट. बस. नाउ लेट्स सी द प्रोडक्शन कि यहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन कितना हो रहा है इन विच ईयर, इन विच मंथ, सॉरी. सो इन फेब्रवरी आई कैन सी दैट द डाटा गिवन टू मी इज फेब्रवरी में 2008 में. फाइन. देयर इज सी आई विल टेक रेड को मैं मान रही हूँ 2008 के लिए, and for black I'm gonna take 2009. This is the color info I'm telling, ठीक है. So for 2008 it's 2700. So 2700 will be somewhere here around. These are months and production. Now I will change the color, and here it's 2800 है ना, so it will be some around here. Now next in May it is 3200. Okay, 3200 and 4500. Then in August it is 6000 and 4800. So it will be 6000 and 4800. Now in October it is 5000 and 4800. Now in December it is 4200 and 5200. Okay, so that was just a rough sketch. This is not the proper sketch. You should use a scale, इरेज़र, पेंसिल फॉर डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ठीक है. आपको अच्छे से मेजर लेना है. दैट वॉज जस्ट अ रफ स्केच, एंड हियर्स द प्रॉपर स्केच फॉर द सेम, ठीक है. दैट्स द प्रॉपर स्केच. नाउ इन द ईयर 2009 द टोटल प्रोडक्शन वॉज 22,100. That was the question ki in 2009 what was the total production. So if you count with the given one you will get the result, and that will be 22,100. Now mean production in the year of 2009 will be 2800 plus 4500 plus 4800 plus 4800 plus 5200 divided by 5. So that will, if you divide it by 5 you will get 4420. So that's the answer. Again if you want you can solve this question out. आप इसका, see here is the question, you can just solve it out. It's totally completely there. You can just check it out by rewinding the video. So yeah, that was all for today's session. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you liked, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and also share it with your friends so that they can also get to know all about data handling. So here comes your homework. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a number which is less than 5. So let me know your answers in the comments below, and the top ones will get a shout out by me in the next session. And also the solution of this homework will be revealed in the next session. So don't forget to watch that out. Alright. And also if you have any questions regarding today's session and from your textbook, you can let me know in the comments below that thing also. Now it's time for a quick bonus tip. The bonus tip for today is take short breaks. Well, our mind has endless possibilities. We all know that because we are on mission mode to score well and score good in the next possible examination. But our mind has its own capacity too. So, when we keep on studying for long hours, our brain gets exhausted and needs a break. So, if we keep on studying without a break, it will slow down and we'll not be able to study efficiently. So, that is why it is important to keep on taking short breaks if you are studying for a long time. So yeah, people, that was all for today's video. I hope you liked, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and you all know what to do next, right? So thanks for watching. I'll meeting you in the next coming session. So just stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button and subscribe it right now. मैं मिलती हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन टेक केयर, हैव लॉट्स ऑफ फन, बाय बाय.